all have guidance. Depending on our level of consciousness, depending on what we're here to do, what our destinies are, our life purpose, may depend on, or our spirit guides may depend on that. So sometimes you'll have a spirit guide that's a past life. Sometimes you'll have one that's supposed to be helping you on this certain part of your journey and part of your life. Sometimes it's your higher self. So your higher self kind of is like the gatekeeper, so to speak. So yeah, I'll say your higher self is like that part that you'd want to filter everything out. But your subconscious mind also is a gatekeeper because they have to come through your subconscious mind to get to you. So I would say the best way to recognize it, or the best way to learn how to tap into your spirit guide or spirit guides, is to learn, meditate, and learn the different vibrations and frequencies that all the other aspects or parts of you are. So an inner child is going to feel different than a past life. A spirit guide that's guiding you, I don't know, about your writing is going to feel this way. One that is from China is going to feel different than one from Africa, right? Because they're going to be different beings. So whether you're getting a light being from the future or an alien from another universe, they'll all have different vibrations. And when you can tune into and find your, perfect frequency and you're in alignment, then you can start to feel all these other ones. And as you start to feel them and are aware of them, then you can start to pinpoint what this is, what this means, what all these different things, right? And kind of categorize them in your mind so you know what messages are for you, where they're coming from, and why.